Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create an organization chart in Microsoft Word. Just go to the insert. Here is the option Smart Art. Just click here and in left side there is some option. Choose hierarchy and organization chart. There is a different type of organization chart. Select first one and click OK. Now organization chart is ready. Just type top of the position director. Now here is a director and in second position here is a assistant, personal assistant of director. The personal assistant type personal assistant. Now in director position below there are three hierarchy. First is Group Accounts Manager. And in other hierarchy you can type different position. If you don't want, just select here and press delete. If you don't want any of position, just select and delete. But I want in this hierarchy two shape. Here is the option add shape. Just click add shape. After the shape will be displayed after this position. Now just type IT manager and in this position type marketing manager and before IT manager insert a one shape before add shape before, and here I will type HR manager. Now below this position Group Accounts Manager there is here is a one position Accounts Manager. Just go to the add shape and add shape below. Here is a Accounts Manager. Here is the option Accounts Manager, and company has one assistant of account manager. Just select it and add shape and add assistant and type accounts assistant, accounts manager assistant. And below accounts manager add shape below. Here is a one accountant. Just type accountant position, and here is the option add shape, and we need a add shape after one position is a cashier. And company needs one assistant of accountant. Just select it and go to the add shape and select add assistant and type the position. Accountant assistant. And company has one IT manager and one is assistant IT manager. Just go to the add shape and add assistant. Now type assistant IT manager. And below IT manager position, one is add shape below and type network administrator. And in this hierarchy I need one add shape after and type programmer. And in network administrator there is a one assistant network administrator. Just go to the add shape and add assistant and type network assistant. Now you can create organization chart in Microsoft Word very easily by using Smart Chart. And you can also here HR manager, and below is the position of different type, and marketing manager, and also now you can create organization chart very easily in Microsoft Word. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.